Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So before I jump into the video, I'm going to say this isn't the first time I'm filming this video, this is the second time I'm filming this video, simply because I sat down to edit the first video and realised that I was so stuttery, so all over the place. It was just a pain in the arse to edit and it just wasn't going very well, so I've decided to just refilm the video. I was having a bad day that day and literally so stuttery, the video was just a mess, so I'm back here refilming it. But today I have got a friend mail from the lovely Unpolished by Aggie. You guys know that I absolutely love Aggie to pieces. I'm sure at this point that you guys are probably all subscribed to her, but if you're not, I will leave her channel linked in the description box. I would love for you guys to go subscribe to her. Her content is awesome. She does incredible nail art. Her hauls are very informative. Her product reviews are very informative. She knows where to find all the best deals and she's just an absolute star. I really do love her to pieces. So we've kind of done a bit of a glitter swap. I've sent her a bunch of Sparkle Supplies glitters and a couple from Smiley's glitter store, and she has also sent me some of the beautiful ones she's got from AliExpress. We thought the ones that she got from AliExpress were the same as some of the ones that I've got from Sparkle Supplies, but they're not. They're actually a little bit different. They're very similar, but they are a little bit different. So she's kindly sent me some of hers and I sent her some of mine, and it's just kind of been a bit of a glitter swap. And she has also sent me something really special. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's really beautiful. I love it so much. She really didn't have to, but I really do love it to pieces, and yeah, it's beautiful. So I'm going to stop waffling because I've already been waffling for a little while. I'm going to crack on, show you guys all these beautiful glitters and then the very special thing. And yeah, other than that, I hope you'll enjoy the video and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off by showing you these. This is the collection that we thought was the same as the ones from Sparkle Supplies, but they're not. They are a little bit different. So in this collection you get 12 different glitters. I'm not too sure what size bags they come in. I reckon probably 10 grams. I'm not entirely sure though. I will try and find the listing and link it in the description box. But you get 12 different colours regardless, and they're only £7.26 for the whole entire collection, which is incredible prices. You would not pay that in the UK anywhere. This particular AliExpress store has quite a few glitters. Like, you can buy singular ones from them, and then you've got collections. Not all the collections you can buy singly, and all the single ones you can buy as a collection, if that makes sense. But they have got a really good variety on there. I have actually bought from this store before myself. I buy my clear holographic glitter from them. They do like a 10 gram bag of it, and it's like one of my all-time favourite glitters ever. I've actually covered my bathroom door in it, and it looks pretty awesome. But I kind of run out now, I really need to order some more. But their prices are incredible and they do have a fantastic selection. So I'm going to go through and quickly show you guys all of these glitters one by one. I'm going to try not to take too long, but we'll see how we go. Okay, so this is the first one. It's like a very light orange, and in these mixes you've sort of got like large, medium and small hexes of the colour, and then you also get like gold dots and like little gold micro shards. Really beautiful mixes, these ones. They are very similar to the Sparkle Supply ones, but the colours are just slightly different. You see that one? I really love this one. I love that shade of sort of pink. It's really pretty. And yellow, you all know I love my yellow. And we got green. It's kind of like a slightly bluey green, that one. And then I've got like more of like a green, which I absolutely love that shade. But these glitters are absolutely beautiful. They're all matte, as you can see, so you've got like the colour itself is matte, and then you just got the metallic gold. But they're just so different, and they really are nice. And purple, I love the purple. And blue, literally they are just so beautiful. I can't even hold all those in my hands, so many of them. And we've got another pink, a sort of orangey kind of red colour. We've got a lilac, and then finally a lighter blue. But this collection is so stunning, and for the price you really cannot go wrong. They also do a collection of micro mylar that I want, that has quite a few different colours in, that I really want to get my hands on, because I really struggled to find coloured micro mylar in the country. Sparkle Supplies is probably the best place I found for micro mylar in the sense of colours, And there is a couple of different other companies that I found in the UK that do micro mylar, but typically it seems to be white, like a white iridescent micro mylar. And I want some bright colours, I want some bright vibrant colours, and this seller has a collection of them. So they're in my basket. I'll pop an image up on the screen if I can, but they're in my basket and I'm just sort of waiting to purchase them. They've been in my basket for a while and I just sort of need to do it, press that button and place the order. I'm really excited to get those though. But yeah, I really love this collection. I think they're gorgeous, such a good range of colours, and yeah, I'm so excited because all the bright glitters are coming out ready for summer, and I can't wait to be doing loads of bright colourful sets. And these are just so stunning, so unique, really gorgeous glitters. So thank you so much, Aggie, because she sent a little note saying, like, you know, she's already split them with Gina, and she's like, oh sorry, they're only small bags. And it's like, yeah, but Aggie is loads in there, like I'm never gonna get through that. But no, thank you, Aggie, I really do appreciate it. They're really beautiful. You really didn't have to, but yeah, I'm so thankful. So yeah, I love those. She also sent me a bunch of incense cones. I really need to find my backflow burner. I have a really nice dragon backflow burner, but I just, for the life of me, can't find where I put it. I'm guessing I put it away for safekeeping, but I just can't remember where I put it, and I don't mind him because I really like it. It's so cool. Like, the backflow burners are awesome, but yeah, I've lost it. Haven't seen it in several months now, and I might just have to buy myself a new one. Right, okay, so next we've got these glitters here. These are beautiful. They really are beautiful, and yeah, they kind of remind me of the ones that I buy from Sparkle Supplies, but these ones are a little bit more toned down and a bit more, I don't know, I just love these sort of glitters. I've just not seen these anywhere. Like, I've definitely got glitters that are sort of a similar sort of, they're put together very similar. I don't really know where I'm going with this. I sort of know what I'm trying to say, but I don't know how to say it. But I have got glitters very similar to this. Like, Sparkle Supplies does quite a lot of glitters that are sort of very similar to this, but not quite like these. I'm just talking shit, I'm really sorry. But no, these are really cool. They're really neon, they're really pretty, they're very iridescent, they're very well made, and absolutely gorgeous. So I can quickly show you all of them. So we've got this gorgeous yellow here, and as you can see, we've got a fine glitter in there. We've got small hexes, we've got medium hexes, and we've got large hexes. They are just so gorgeous, and yeah, with summer coming up, these are going to use a lot. They're just so perfect for summer. We've got this purple one here. They're so pretty. So I mean, Aggie finds all the best deals and all the best products. Look at that one. I definitely don't have nothing like that in my collection. It's obviously blue, but because of the iridescent on it, it's like pink as well. And blue and pink, it's just not two colours you generally see put together in a glitter mix. This one reminds me of the Ooh La La that I sent Aggie. I think that's the one she put in her birthday nails, where you got sort of the light pink and then sort of deeper pink, and it's got that nice iridescent shift to it. Really beautiful. This one is gorgeous. I love my corals. I don't know really whether the camera's giving that true justice, but yeah, it's a gorgeous coral colour, the iridescent shift again. I really love these. That was like more of like a neon orange. They're lush, they truly are lush. I love these so much. This one's dark green, but again it's got that sort of pink iridescent shift to it. I wonder if these, I'm not too sure where Aggie got these from. They might be from the same seller, but I will try and get a link from her anyway if you guys would like to purchase them. And then finally we've got the lime green, that's sort of like a neon sort of lime green. But they are so stunning. I don't know whether she got them from AliExpress or from Amazon, I'm not too sure. I will ask her, because I know she got some very similar for her Mardi Gras set that she's just posted on YouTube. I don't know if they're the same glitters. I don't think they were, because I think the other ones were a little bit more brighter, but they did look very similar, which I think she got those from Amazon. But yeah, anyways, I will message her and I'll try and get a link if you'd like to purchase them, because they are absolutely beautiful, and with summer coming up, they are absolutely perfect for summer. They're really gorgeous. So thank you again, Aggie, for sending me them. They are really pretty. They are so pretty. I love them. And then we've got a couple more bits here. I love one of her notes. I swear this is all I can find in my collection that I've not seen you with already. You literally got everything I own already. It does get like that. Like, there's quite a few girls I'd love to send nail bits to, but when it comes to it, I wouldn't know what to send them because they've already got everything I own and more. It's one of those, like, us girls, we soon build up our collections. Realistically, us nail girls or hoarders, we do have a hell of a lot of nail products, and we all send each other stuff left, right and centre, and it does get really hard to send each other friend mail. Like, I'm sure there's been plenty of times where we've all sent each other the same thing. Right, but anyway, let's have a look, because I'm just very waffly today apparently. So these are little apples, which I don't have any apples at all. And I really, really like these. They're like little red holographic apples that have had a little bite taken out of them. They're just adorable. And they're so tiny as well, which I really like. Because some sequin shapes are so big and bulky, they're just a pain to put on a nail. So I don't really think they're made for a nail. But these ones are nice and thin. They're going to be easy to work with. I don't know when I'm likely to use them, but I'm sure I probably will at some point. And yeah, I definitely don't have anything like that in my collection. So yeah, very nice, Aggie. Thank you. I also don't have any of these either. They're cute little red bows. I think the only bows that I've got that are sequin shapes are like the Minnie Mouse bows that I got from the Glitter Fairy that I've got in a few different colours, but I don't have any nice small ones like these at all. And they're red, which is obviously my favourite colour. You know, my nails are red, my hair's red, everything I wear is pretty much red. Like, red is generally my favourite colour. So I really like these. They're so cute and diddy again, like really cute and diddy. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I have already got these, and I think I did get them from Aggie a while back. But like I was saying, it's really hard to send each other stuff. Like, I'm pretty sure I've probably sent Aggies a couple of the same thing a few times. I don't mean to, but it's hard to remember like what they've got and what they haven't got. And yeah, these are really nice though, because I haven't seen these anywhere else. I like the fact that they're really bright and vibrant. So you've got neon orange, neon yellow and neon pink. Whereas a lot of the maple leaves that you see like reds, burnt orange, browns, like deeper colours. These ones are a lot more brighter and more vibrant, and they are really, really, really pretty. And then we've got this glitter here, which I absolutely love. It's so colourful, and I love my colourful glitters. I really do love my colourful glitters. Gorgeous. It's so pretty. It really is so, so, so pretty. I'm in love with that. I think it's one of my new favourite glitters, that is Aggie. I love it so much. And then lastly, we've got this one here, which is a very interesting mix. It's kind of hard to see what's going on because of the iridescent shift, but I think there's some dark green hexagons in there, which is something you don't see much of. And then it's got like a shit ton of like normal sort of transparent, maybe blue iridescent hexes, but like I said, it's really hard to tell because it's so shiny. It's so pretty though, and it's very different, very, very, very different, so I do like it a lot. It's definitely quite a chunky mix, that one. But yeah, it's definitely very different and interesting. I like it a lot, so thank you, Aggie. Okay, so then on to the last thing, which I'm so excited to show you all. Ta-da! I love this so much, and it's like one of the best gifts I've ever been given. This will be something I will treasure for the rest of my life. I guarantee I'll be 90 and I'll still have this on my shelf. I love it so much. It's so pretty and so thoughtful of Aggie to get me one of these. I know she's been trying so hard to get me one of these since September for my birthday, and she's had a bit of a nightmare with the seller on Amazon. And yeah, I don't get it. She doesn't get it. Like, it's been like very weird, but I didn't even realise she has still been trying, bless her. And I appreciate the fact that she's kept it in her thoughts and she's kept trying for me this whole entire time. But it is a resin pyramid, and she knows that I like my crystals. This one has got moonstone in it, which is a really beautiful crystal. I do have a couple of pieces of moonstone already. It's a white crystal, but there we go. Let you see the rainbow shift. It just has a very subtle rainbow shift on some pieces with moonstone. It's a really beautiful crystal. And then we've sort of got, they're like metal sort of flakes inside of it, and then we've got some, I don't know if it's copper wire. I don't think it's quite copper wire, but it's got some form of wire in it in little swirlies. It's just really, really, really beautiful. I really like it. And the effort that Aggie has gone through to try and get me one of these, and then like I completely like forgot all about it, to be honest. And then she messaged me and she's saying she got one, and it's like, wow, it was so thoughtful of her to keep trying and to send me one. I love it so much, and I will literally look after this forever. I will literally have this for the rest of my life. I love it so much. So thank you so, so, so much, Aggie. You really didn't have to, but this is so special and I love it. I really do love it. So thank you so much. So that is absolutely everything from my friend Mel from Aggie today. I love you, Aggie. You're such a star. Thank you so much for your generosity. I literally love everything you sent me. It's all stunning and I just can't get over this pyramid, and I'm so excited to put it on my shelf and it's going to look so pretty. Thank you to everyone else for watching. I hope you have all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will link Aggie's channel I will link Aggie's channel and also her video in the description box, and I'll also try and link the glitter collections if I can in the description box. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.